Chimichurri sauce. Ingredients. Makes about 2 cups. 1 shallot, finely chopped. 1 Fresno chili or red jalapeno, finely chopped. 3 to 4 garlic cloves, thinly sliced or finely chopped. ½ cup red wine vinegar. 1 teaspoon kosher salt, plus more. ½ cup finely chopped cilantro. 1/4 cup finely chopped flat leaf parsley. 2 tablespoons finely chopped oregano. 3/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. Directions. Combine shallot, chili, garlic, vinegar, and 1 teaspoon salt in a medium bowl. Let sit 10 minutes. Stirring cilantro, parsley, and oregano. Using a fork, whisk in oil. Transfer ½ cup chimichurri to a small bowl, season with salt and reserve as sauce. If using for beef, place meat in a glass, stainless steel, or ceramic dish. Toss with remaining chimichurri. Cover and chill at least 3 hours or up to overnight. Remove meat from marinade, pat dry, and grill. Spoon reserved chimichurri over grilled meat.